In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a commercial invoice template in Microsoft Word. We're going to build a clean, reusable document that you can save and use again whenever you need it. A commercial invoice is commonly used for international shipments, so the goal here is to make sure the layout looks professional and includes the essential fields you'll want to fill in later. Start by opening Microsoft Word. Once Word is open, go to the File menu, choose New, and use the search bar to look for Commercial Invoice. Word often provides ready-made templates, and using one of these can save time because the overall structure is already in place. After you find a suitable option, select a base layout that looks clear and professional. Try to choose one with enough white space so it's easy to edit and easy for customs, shipping partners, or clients to read. Next, move to the top section of the document and update the header area. This is where you'll replace the sample information with your own business details. Enter your business name, your business address, and your tax ID. You'll also want to make sure the document is clearly labeled as commercial invoice, so there's no confusion about its purpose. Keep this section neat and prominent since it helps identify the sender and the nature of the document right away. After that, insert or update the main product table. The table should include the following columns: item description, HS code, country of origin, quantity, unit price, and total value. These fields are especially important for export documentation because they help describe the goods accurately and show their declared value. As you format the table, make sure the column headings are easy to read and that there's enough room in each column for the information you'll enter later. A well-spaced table makes the final invoice look more organized and reduces the chance of mistakes. Once the table is ready, go to the bottom section of the document and add the shipping and payment details. Include your shipping or export terms, also known as Incoterms, along with your payment terms and the currency being used. These details clarify who is responsible for shipping-related costs and risks, how payment should be handled, and which currency applies to the invoice totals. That extra clarity can help prevent delays or misunderstandings when the document is used. When everything looks the way you want, go to File and choose Save as Template. Saving it as a template means you won't have to recreate the same layout from scratch next time. You'll be able to open it